Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to instantly convert your SPayLater credit into unusable funds GCash. This quick guide will help you make the most of your credit of your payments, purchases, and more. Let's get started. First is to link SPayLater to GCash. Open the GCash app on your mobile device and navigate to the SPayLater section in the app. Make sure your SPayLater account is properly linked. This usually happens automatically if you sign up for SPayLater through GCash. Check your SPay balance. Tap on SPayLater from the GCash menu. View your available credit balance to ensure you have enough funds off your transaction. 3 is to convert SPayLater to GCash. Use SPayLater to direct purchases within GCash. If you need the liquid funds, follow these steps. Go send money and look for platforms, merchants, and allow SPayLater as a payment option, and then complete the transfer process using your SPayLater balance. And that's it. Now you can easily convert your SPayLater credit for various transactions in GCash. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below if you have a question. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.